our driver to take us on a little day out, sitting in the Grand Hyatt. It's quite a nice spot. This Carly, she's got a cold sore, so she's trying to hide it. Oh, there it is. She's been ill the last couple of days, so she's not feeling too good. And we've got a day out planned. We're going to go to a couple of beaches, go see some sights. What else? A temple. Go to a temple, Uluwatu Temple. So we'll see what happens. So Maddie's on his way, surely in his car, and we'll see him soon. Let's go. What? No, just now. Okay, selamat pagi. Selamat pagi, Maddie.
How are you? Good?
I'm good, thank you very much. I'm going to start a film.
Thank you.
It's a big group of Indians there in the coach. I don't know.
Indian group?
There seems to be, yeah. Yeah. It's very busy today, yeah. Very busy in the hotel.
Maybe university.
Maybe. Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. Okay, we're here at Uluwatu Temple. Let's have a little look around. What's up, Carlin? You follow me. So you have to take your glasses off because there's monkeys and they appear from nowhere and steal your glasses. I hear rustling in the trees. I just know they're out there waiting to pounce. So we're going to keep an eye out for the monkeys. We've got to wear these sarongs for temple purposes. But I'm just like showing a bit of leg, you know, it's a bit saucy. Okay, that's about to do. Carlin says,
Can't see it properly.
oh, there's like a little, it's like green and black butterfly. Oh, here it is, it's coming here, Carlin.
I can see it now.
I mean, put your glasses on, but just hold on to them.
Okay.
Just keep a grip of your glasses. And just the second the monkey appears.
Yeah, well, if you see a monkey, it's getting smacked in the face.
Yeah, don't smack the monkeys. You can't spank the monkey. No monkey spanking, especially not in a temple. Monkey.
Prescription glasses.
That's the way you grab your head. I know. They've got me really nervous about like a gang of monkeys rushing out from the bushes. Expecting to be circled by monkeys. Hand everything over. Empty your bags. Just check my zips are closed and everything. Yours are still closed, yeah. Because they'll dip. Like Mancunians, they'll be in your bag robbing stuff. What? I'll have to find out what that is, but it looks like he's like killing people.
No, they're killing him.
Well, they're trying to, aren't they? They're giving it a crack. In fact, that is basically going to be Carleen with the monkeys later. Yeah, look at all running around. There's the monkeys.
I know where they are. Now I can't see them.
It's like a year 9 class. You just don't know.
You just
Don't know what's going to happen. They look innocent, but you know they're plotting something. Oh, a thing and thing corner. Oh, there's two. Oh no, there's many things. Oh, they're everywhere. What?
Keep walking.
There's hundreds of them. Oh look, there's another ant thing. I don't know what it is. Some kind of centipede. There's a few squashed on the ground. I mean, they're risking it. They're just walking around our path. It's tough. Yeah, look.
I'd love to, but I can't see.
The scene of a monkey attack. Someone's glasses smashed up. Someone's been taken out by a monkey. They're just chilling and eating stuff. Oh, look at the baby, just hanging there on the tree. Oh, look at the little baby fellas. Hey baby monkey. They are cute. Oh. A little bit nervous, that one. Colin, did you see these three here? You kind of want to give them a little cuddle, but you know they just bite you or give you fleas or something. You get a photo.
I'll get a photo with you.
Okay, go on then. That monkey fella. Look at his little, I like his little tuft on his head. He's looking at me watch. Do you like that? It's stuck to my arm, you see? He's looking at it, he's going, I'm having that. I'll take your arm off for it.
I've seen Planet of the Apes. YouTube.
His little eyes are following the watch.